Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to sell personalized items on Shopify. First of all, log into your Shopify account or create a new one. Once you are inside, set up the basics like your store name and products categories. Make sure your theme matches your brand. After that, go to products option, then click add products. List the item you want to personalize, like t-shirts or mugs. In the product description, mention that customization options are available, like names or messages. Use apps like Infinite Option or Product Personalizer to add customizable field. This allow customers to type in the personalization they want. These apps integrate directly into your product pages. Then for better customer experience, some apps even provide a live preview so buyer can see what their personalized products will look like. Finally, make sure to adjust pricing for personalized product based on your customer's level. Like, add a section to clarify to processing time for personalized order. And that's it. You are ready to sell personalized items on Shopify. Personalization can boost customer engagement and increase sales. Thanks for watching.